What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the touch and hold home button to open Bixby voice in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now tap on device assistance app. So now the default digital app assistant is set to none. It means when you will press and hold the home button, it will do nothing. Now to set this button to open Bixby voice, from here tap on Bixby voice and from the pop-up tap on OK. And when the Bixby voice is selected, then when you will press the home button, it will open the Bixby voice. So that's how you can set the touch and hold home button to open Bixby voice in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.